Okay, boys and girls, even though this says it's a test at the top, it's not really a test. It's just practice on the things that we have already done. So the first part, we're going to take apart the numbers and write the tens and the ones. So for 42, we write 4 tens, 2 ones. Same with 35 and 28. Okay? Now on this part, we're going to count the tens and the ones. So count with me. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, let's count the next one. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, now down below, we're going to write the number. 5 tens and 3 ones is 53. 2 tens and 5 ones is 25. 4 tens and 6 ones is 46. Good. Now we're going to do, it says color in 36. So we're going to color 30, so 10, 20, 30. And then we're going to color in 6. And then we'll write the expanded form. So 3 tens and 6 ones is 30 plus 6 equals 36. Good. Now let's do the same thing down here. We're going to color in 48. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that we've colored in 48. So how many tens did we color? 4. How many ones did we color? 8. Good. Now we need to write the expanded form. 40 plus 8 equals 48. Okay, we have 2 more parts. So this time we're taking the expanded form and we're writing the number. 24. 40 plus 3, 43. 30 plus 7, 37. And 10 plus 2 is 12. And the last job that we have is to write 2 numbers in expanded form. So 26, and if you listen, we said the answer. 20 plus 6. And then we're going to write 45. 40 plus 5. Nice work, boys and girls. To your teacher. Nice work. Turn it over onto the back. We just have more practice on our addition facts plus 6. And then when you're finished, turn